Good day guys, I am Deck Cadet Keith Joseph Kilat, and for today's video we are tasked to do the NAV APLAN 2C of University of Cebu METC, and I hope you will enjoy and learn from this video. So, as for NAV APLAN 2C, we have a scenario here at 1200. The vessel is in the vicinity of Laguna Gulf, with by visual observation using the magnetic compass, the OOW observed Sialat Point and Aguho Point in transit, which bore 345 degrees per ship compass. We have initial conditions: ship course 335 degrees per ship compass and speed 16 knots. So the first thing we will do is update our variation from our chart. So we are using Luzon chart. So we have here a variation of 1 degree 15 minutes. So 1 degree 15 minutes west for the year of 2013, and every year will change by 2 minutes west. So in order to update the variation, we will subtract the 2013 year to our current year, which is 2021. So 2013 subtracted to 2021, we will get 8 years. So the 8 years answer will be multiplied by 2 minutes west here. So we will get 16 minutes west, and 16 minutes west will be added to here, the 1 degree and 15 minutes west. So 16 plus 15, we have here 16 plus 15, and we will get 31 minutes. So we have here 1 degree and 31 minutes west for our updated variation for our current year, but we can round it off to 2 degrees west. So we will use the 2 degrees west for our variation for our current year. So the next thing we'll do is we have here 345 degree per ship compass. So we will find the deviation of 345 degrees per ship compass. So we have here a deviation chart. So 345 belongs to 340 degrees and 360 degrees. So 340 degrees and 360 degrees. So we have a 20 gap. So in order to find the deviation of 345, we will get the deviation of these two compass headings. So 340 has a deviation of 4 degrees west, and 360 has a deviation of 6 degrees west. So we will add these two deviation and we will get 10 degrees west, and the 10 degrees west will be divided by 2. So we will have 5 degrees west, and this is our deviation for 345 degrees per ship compass. So the next thing, we will now correct our compass. So we will use C, D, M, V, T, and we have our compass course here. We have 335 degrees for our compass course, and we will get the deviation of 335 degrees. So same thing, 300, we have here deviation chart, so 335 belongs to 320 and 340, so 320 degrees and 340, we still have a gap of 20, and same thing, get the deviation of the two compass headings. So 320 has 3 degrees west and 340 has 4 degrees west, so add the two deviation and we get 7 degrees west and divided by 2, so we will get 3.5 degrees west, and let's round it off and it will make 4 degrees west, and this is our deviation of 335 degrees compass course. So 4 degrees west, and the rules here is if the label is west, we will subtract, and if the label is east, we will add. So the deviation has a label of west, so 335 subtracted by 4, and we will get 331 degrees for our magnetic, and we all know the variation already, so it is 2 degrees west, and the label is west, so 331 subtracted by 2, and it will get 329. So now we have our true course of 321 degrees. So for correcting the compass of our magnetic bearing, we will use the CDMV again. So we have a compass course of 345 degrees. So the deviation, we already know it is 5 degrees. 5 degrees west, so we already know the rules, so let's subtract 345 subtracted by 5, and we will get 340 degrees for our magnetic, and we all know also the variation, which is 2 degrees west, and the label is 2 degrees west, so we will subtract it by 2, the 340, so we will get 338 degrees for our true bearing. So now let's find the compass error. So in finding compass error, the first thing we will do is add the deviation and the variation. So let's add. So we have a 4 degrees west for our deviation, added by 2 degrees west for our variation, and we will get 6 degrees west, and that is our compass error. And here, let's add, we have 5 degrees west for our deviation, and added by 2 degrees west for our variation, and we will have 7 degrees west, and that is our compass error. So now we will go to our chart and we will plot now. So the first thing we will gonna do is find the Sialat point and Aguho point. So Sialat point and Aguho point is right over here, these two. So now let's going to plot our 338 true bearing. So in order to plot this one, we will use our triangle ruler. So we will find 338. So here 338 is right here. Here. And now let us move it to our position. So here's the other point. And now let's put a line of position here, and let's label it to Ruby ring. Ruby ring was 338 degrees. So the next one, we will get our compass course. So we have a compass course of 335 degrees. So again, let's use our triangle ruler. So we have here 335, here 335 for our compass course. Here, and let's move it using our triangle ruler. So here, here, line of position, and let's label it to our compass course, that is 335 degrees. So the next thing we will do is find our magnetic course. So our magnetic course is 331 degrees. So same thing, find out 331 degrees and using our triangle ruler. So here 331 degrees, 331 degrees, move it using our triangle ruler. So there, put a line of position, and that's it. That's our magnetic course, MC 331. So the next thing we're gonna do is find our true course, which is 329 degrees. So same thing again, using our triangle ruler, we will find 329 degrees, and we will locate it using our triangle ruler. So here, so that's our and we will label it for our true course for 329 degrees. So that's our plot. So from our compass course here to our magnetic course, that is our deviation. Let's label it with letter D for our deviation. And from true course to our magnetic course, that's our variation. And from true course to our compass course, that's our C, compass error. Let's label it by CE. So there you go, guys. And in locating our initial position, so we were going to find the lines, the place where the lines intersect, so here, and that's our ship's position. So there you go, guys. I plotted already the NAV APLAN 2C. So thank you for watching, and see you for our next video. God bless and keep safe.